Hello, I told you about a new kid. Adam was the new kid at his school. One day he was walking home alone. Suddenly, a boy came from behind and pushed Adam. Adam fell the, to the ground. The boy said, "Give me your MP3 player now." "No, it's mine," Adam cried. Some boys' school saw it, but they did not stop to help. "He is not our friend," they said. "Why should we help him?" They took another street. Just then Ray came over. He shouted to the boy, "Hey, stop it, you can do it." "Can't do it." The boy looked at really angry, then ran away, leaving poor Adam. He walked with Adam to his house. From that day on, they become good friends. Thank you, Jim. Time. Bye.